Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change language in your Site123. So let's just start here. First, what you want to do is just be in Site123 and click here on settings. Here you want to click on website languages and you can change to whatever language you want and just find which one you like. So yeah, this is how we can make it right now. To add a multi-language, you need to upgrade it. So that's the only way. So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, oh no, I didn't want to do this. So goodbye.